how to expand, contract and feather your selections on photopea.com. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now first of all, you have to go on the selection tool and make a selection. Let's say I am making this selection. Now as I have made this selection, now over here there is an option of feather, so I can put any feather that I want by selecting this feather. Let's say I am putting the feather of 43. Now 43 feather is selected on this area. Now if I wanted to expand or contract it, then I have to go on refine edges, and now I can change the border of whatever I want. I can expand it by doing this or contract it by doing this. This is how I can increase, contract, or also change the feather of the selection that I have made. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.